Hello friends, my name is Ramesh and you are watching the How to Master YouTube channel. In this today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall Android apps and games from your Android device. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, there are two methods to uninstall the apps. The first method is to uninstall the apps from the Google Play Store. So for that, go to the Google Play Store and then swipe from left to right and then tap on this My App and Games. Now go to the install tabs and from there go to storage, and from here you have to select the applications that you want to remove. So for example, here we have the Google Duo and home workout application. In case of mine, I have selected these two apps and now I'm gonna remove by tapping up free up, and then again we have to tap on free up, and it is said that the 82 MB was removed from your device in case of mine. Okay, so the next method is to uninstall the app through a third-party uninstaller. In my case, it is Easy Uninstaller. You will have the link in the description if you want to install this app. Open up the application, and in the application you have to first set it up, and after that you will see a list of the applications that you want to remove. In case of me, I'm gonna remove the applications like the Zapier, and also I'm removing the Uber taxi service. Okay, these two applications I want to remove. After selecting the applications, press on the uninstall button and then press on OK, and it is saying uninstalled, and then press OK for the another application, and it is saying one app uninstalled. Okay, so guys, these are the two methods on how to uninstall multiple apps on your Android device. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, and also if you want to see more videos like this, then you have to subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Also, you can join me on my social medias like Facebook and Instagram. The link will be in the description. I will meet you in the next video with a new video. Until then, peace out.